Guarding yourself is to know your boundaries. Is it clear? Why didn't I write that down? Just knowing boundaries is much better than restraining yourself, isn't it? Knowing boundaries encompasses restraining yourself, doesn't it? I don't like this guy. Huh? No, I like boundaries better. I disagree with you. I'm the lecturer, you're not. Why is it better, sir?
Because self-restraint is coming from you.
From what?
From yourself.
From yourself, okay.
And the boundaries are not necessarily coming from yourself. So if you're going to practice yourself...
Wait. You practice yourself, therefore you need boundaries?
You need to restrain yourself.
You restrain yourself.
But you don't need to also talk about boundaries.
Okay, let me explain. You say restrain yourself, meaning that I will drink 3 bottles of whiskey and then I stop myself. I restrain myself. Is that okay?
Anybody that drinks 3 bottles of whiskey is not going to know whether they're restraining themselves or not.
Speaking from experience. Very funny. But you get my drift? Restraining yourself is not the same as boundaries. That's what I don't like about this commentators thing.
Suit yourself. But anyway, I like it like that.
You still like restraining yourself. You stop at 1. No, boundaries far better, sir. Boundaries is actual execution. The books say about restraining yourself, but actual practice is to know your boundaries and observe the boundaries. You agree? Thank you. Yes. You must know your boundaries. It's far better this way. I insist. No room for discussion, no room for disagreement, okay? Trust me, this is much better. You should know your boundaries. That's how you guard yourself.